It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, I am starting with makeup already on. So this is one of those situations where you went to work and you have a party after work. Okay, so I am getting ready for a Christmas party, so I already have on makeup. I'm just going to do an eye look and freshen up my face. So I went under my brow bone with a light shade. Then in that crease area, I'm kind of going in with a pink color. And for this eyeshadow look, it's going to be pink. So I'm just slowly kind of building that pink up in that area so that I can cut the crease. Here I'm just showing you some of the colors that I am using. Of course, these are the Mary Kay eyeshadows, and I'm going to cut the crease with the NYX white eyeshadow base. And this is a first. This video is in real time. I did not speed it up since it's just the eye look. I know you guys want to see, you know, exactly how I do the eye look, how long it takes and all that. So because the face was already done, you guys can see me do everything real time. So I'm excited about that. So here you see me cutting the crease. I put some of the white eyeshadow base on my lid. Then I open my eyes up a little bit so that that product can transfer to kind of let me know how high I wanted to cut the crease. Of course, you can cut the crease as high as you like or as low as you like. It's really a preference, but if you have hooded eyelids, traditionally you would want to cut it above your crease. After I put the product there, I kind of just, you know, pat it out a little bit, and then I go on with my color. So here I'm applying some pink, and using that white eyeshadow base, it just really makes whatever color you put on top pop a little bit more. And of course, I am going to be using some of my Itz Sirap glitter to put in the inner eye, so you guys will get to see that in real time. Here I am taking this small angled brush to add some of that color on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with this kind of rich plum color to put that in my outer V area. And I pat the color on to get like a nice consistency, and then I begin to blend it out. So you can just pat, do some little swirls, whatever you need to do to get that color nice and blend it out. With these eyeshadows, they blend effortlessly, so you don't really have to do a lot to make them blend. After I am satisfied with how the eyeshadow was looking, I am going back into some of my powders to kind of freshen up my makeup. I'm going to go back into my highlighter, my blush, my contour, all of that, I didn't really go in with the regular powder a lot. I mainly just touched up my highlight, contour, and blush. Make sure that you guys leave me some comments below and let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see coming into the new year. Definitely leave your suggestions so that I can get that filmed. My goal is to put out 3 videos a week on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So make sure that you guys subscribe, like, share. I'm trying to get my views and my watch time up. I am going for a play button in 2021. So make sure that you guys are liking and sharing the videos. So now I'm going in with that glitter primer and I'm patting this in that inner eye area. You want to put this only where you want your glitter to be. So I'm just patting that product and then I'm going back into the glitter and then I'm going to pat that on the glitter adhesive. So you can use a glitter primer, a glitter adhesive. You can mist your face with setting spray and then apply the glitter. You can even apply concealer or the NYX eyeshadow base and apply it on top of that. Anything that it will stick to. Because this glitter is from my Fine collection, you don't really have to do a lot to make it stick. I prefer a glitter primer, but to each his own. So you just keep adding until you are satisfied with how it's looking. Then I like to go in and brush away any excess. And I'm going to set everything with some of the Mary Kay finishing spray and let that dry. Then I decided I wanted to add a little bit more glitter. So, of course, add as much or as little as you would like. Then I added some lipstick, and this is probably Crushed Berry, which is one of my favorites. And I love our lipsticks because they are so creamy. I used to not wear lipstick because it used to dry my lips out, but our lipsticks are creamy. They feel good and smooth and glossy. We have several different kinds of lipsticks. So if you want a matte finish or a glossy finish or a shine or sheen, it's so many different choices. And y'all know I like to go on top with a gloss. And she is looking cute. So I popped my wig on. Now I'm going to put my lashes on. And I am going on my lash line with some of that Kiss glue. I'm going to put on mascara, and then I'm going to pop my lashes on. Doing this method really helps the lashes stick and stay and last all day. And it takes a little time to get those lashes on there. Like I said, this is real time. I like to go to the beginning and the end of the lash and make sure that I really press it in. And as you can see, the look is flawless. I love it. I had so much fun at this Christmas party. I have my jewelry, just everything all blinged out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, do all the things, okay? Remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy holidays.
It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.